In this video, we are going to talk about 4 companies that are hiring transcribers from around the world. The first one is Happy Scribe. This is their website, and we're going to navigate to their applications page and see how you can apply as a freelance transcriber. So what you're going to do is scroll down below and you will see under freelancers the link that says transcriber. Click on that and it takes you directly to the transcription jobs page. If you want to work from home and have a flexible schedule, this job can be a great fit. You can become a member of a worldwide community of transcribers from the United States, the United Kingdom, Spain, Germany, Canada, the Philippines, and many other countries. Happy Scribe pay their transcribers €90 per audio minute. The average monthly pay is €450, and the top monthly pay is €3,000. They have a simple 3-step process to start working with them. First is you take the assessment test and answer their questionnaire. You will be notified if your application is accepted. Once you're hired, you simply select a project you want to work on, and get paid bi-weekly, by bank transfer. The process consists of 3 steps. Step 1. Fill the details and select the language of your choice. Step 2. Take the transcription skills test. You will have to proofread the transcript of a sample file. Be sure to read their transcription guidelines before you start. Step 3. Wait for your application to be reviewed. If you're a good fit, they will reach out by email. So click the apply button and you will be taken to the application page where you can sign up as a transcriber. Enter your name, email, password, and choose what you're applying for from this drop-down menu. Tick this little box and click the Sign Up button. Then you'll be taken to the first step, which is to take the subtitling test. Carefully read the instructions, and most importantly, read the guidelines before you take the test. And when you're ready, click the I'm ready to take the test button. There is no time limit to complete the test, so you don't need to rush. You can take your time. But typically, it takes an hour or 2 to finish it. When you're done, just click the Submit button. The next step is answering their questionnaire. And finally, you wait for the result. Next is we have Allegi's Transcription. Allegi's is a company that provides administrative, transcribing, and court reporting services to property and casualty insurance firms across the U.S. They are currently looking for skilled transcribers to join their team. So if you're looking for ongoing freelance transcription jobs and a great team to be a part of, Allegi's could be for you. With Allegi's, you work as a freelancer or an independent contractor, which means you decide how much you work and when you work. Allegi's expects the applicant to have the capacity to transcribe multi-speaker audio recordings entirely, accurately, and in accordance with formatting standards and quality requirements on a consistent and independent basis. This also includes the following: fast and accurate typing and word processing, excellent spelling, grammar and punctuation skills, proofreading and editing skills, aptitude for discerning challenging audio and accented speech, processing and responding well to quality feedback, and reliably meeting established deadlines. When you're ready to apply, just click the Apply button and you will be taken to a registration page. To register, just fill in your name, email and password. You will then be redirected to the welcome page telling you how to proceed. Just fill in the application form and submit it when you're done. Company number 3 on our list for this video is called 1888 Type It Up. It is one of the leading and trusted transcription services designed for nearly any company or individual that needs to transcribe audio or video. They are looking to hire freelance transcribers as of March 14th. So after watching this video, we suggest you go ahead and try it out. This is a wonderful option for new transcribers because no experience is required so long as you pass the transcription test. In addition, they have the following criteria. 1. You should know how to proofread your work. This means that you have to turn in accurate transcripts. 2. You should be able to follow their transcription formatting and style. 3. You should always respond to their emails promptly and deliver the transcripts on time. Type It Up is one of the highest-paying transcription companies on the internet. Their full pay scale ranges from $30 to $180 per audio hour, depending on the audio quality and special features. You must be at least 14 years old. If you're under age 18, you will need a parent or guardian to provide a PayPal account for you. They pay via PayPal or Payoneer if PayPal doesn't work for you. You can transcribe for their non-US clients. They have a lot of clientele outside of the United States, so finding employment shouldn't be an issue if your quality is excellent. You should have Express Scribe, Microsoft Office, and a good pair of headphones. There is no interview process to work with Type It Up. As mentioned earlier, all you have to do is pass the transcription test. Note however that they charge $59 exam fee, which is non-refundable. They explain why they charge a fee for the test. This is to subsidize the cost for their staff members to create exam materials, review entrance exams, and provide detailed feedback to applicants regarding their specific exam errors. This means that unlike other transcription companies, Type It Up provides feedback to the applicants. The fee also reduces the number of applications and weeds out applicants who are not serious about the position. To get started, just fill out the application form and answer a few questions like describe your previous transcription work experience, describe your ideal job as a transcriptionist for Type It Up and what attracted you to this opportunity. Lastly, we have legal proofs. You can begin earning with legal proofs in 3 simple steps. Take the assessment test, complete transcription jobs daily, and receive weekly payments via PayPal. If you don't have experience transcribing legal files, no need to worry because they don't require experience. This company is always looking to fill open freelance transcription jobs to grow their team and keep pace with client orders. Legal transcription jobs are paid per page, while general transcription jobs are paid per audio hour. One of the best aspects of this organization is that if you do well, you will have the opportunity to get promoted. Plus, you'll be a part of a supportive community of freelance transcribers. And just like other transcription companies, this is a perfect job for work-at-home moms because you can work at your own pace and fits in perfectly within any lifestyle. If you're interested in applying for the legal transcriber or general transcriber position at Legal Proofs, these are the skills they are looking for. A self-organizer. This means you must be dependable, complete all job assignments on time, and deliver a great service. Excellent listening skills and ability to work with computers. strong command of spelling and grammar, as well as the ability to pay close attention to details. Experience in legal transcription is a plus. However, if you're willing to learn, you can still give it a try. To apply, click the Apply Now button and fill out their application form.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.